One thing that will be useful in thinking about linear equalities is looking at their graph on a number line. How do we graph an inequality on a number line? Let's suppose, for example, we have x is greater than or equal to 4, and we'd like to graph it on a number line. Well, we'll start by drawing a number line, and we'd better make sure that 4 shows up on it. Our next step, of course, is going to be to find the number 4. Here it is. We want to mark all of the points on the number line that represent numbers that are larger than or equal to 4. Alright, so numbers over here, 5, 6, 7, they're bigger than 4. 3, 2, 1, they're smaller than 4. The numbers greater than 4 are to the right of 4. So we'll mark those on the number line. Now we want to indicate that the number 4 is included in our graph. There are two ways of doing that, but I'm only going to talk about one of them. We write a square bracket at 4 on the number line. What would we do if we had, for example, x is less than 3? Well, we would again draw the number line, make sure that 3 turns up. We want to mark all of the numbers less than 3. Right, so numbers like 2, 1, 0 are the numbers less than 3. Now, 3 is not included. X equals 3 is not included. To mark that 3 is not included on our graph, we draw a round bracket at 3. So, to summarize, when we graph an inequality, if we have x greater than or equal to a number, we shade to the right of the number. If we have x is less than a number or x is less than or equal to a number, we shade to the left of the number. If we have something that says x is greater than a number or x is less than a number, we should mark the number with a round bracket. If equality is included, we should mark the number with a square bracket. Just to practice this idea, I'm going to have you try one of these here. Graph x is greater than or equal to -2. Pause the video and try this now. Okay, so we'll draw a number line and make sure that it shows -2. This is x is greater than, so we want to shade to the right of -2. It's greater than or equal, so we mark it with the square bracket.